short. Sigma Media Lab, Rayagada. Headline 01. The Union Ministry of Human Resource Development, MHRD, has been officially renamed as the Ministry of Education after President Ramnath Kovind on Monday gave his approval to the change. On this day, a Gazette notification was published, announcing that President Kovind had given his assent to change the name of the HRD ministry to the Ministry of Education. Headline 02. The results for Council of Higher Secondary Education, CHSE, Odisha Class 12 Commerce Stream exam was announced on Wednesday, August 19, on CHSE's official websites, sodisha.nic.in, odissaresults.nic.in. The result was announced by Odisha Education Minister Sameer Ranjan Dash. A special assessment scheme was adopted by CHSE for the cancelled papers which were scheduled to be held between March 23 and 28 but were cancelled due to coronavirus pandemic. As per the new scheme, if a student has appeared in more than 3 papers, then an average mark was calculated from the best 3 subjects. Headline 03. The Delhi Disaster Management Authority on Wednesday gave nod to reopen hotels in Delhi. The agency also allowed reopening of weekly markets on a trial basis. However, gymnasiums will continue to remain closed. Delhi's AAP government had recommended. In its recent proposal to the LG, the government had said that in accordance with the unlock guidelines issued by the centre, it has the right to take a decision on allowing establishments in Delhi. Headline 04. The BCCI has roped in Dream 11 as the title sponsor for IPL 2020 as per IPL chairman Brijesh Patel. BCCI will receive 222 crore from the new title sponsor. BCCI had recently suspended its title sponsorship deal with Chinese firm Vivo. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, on Tuesday announced Dream 11 as the new title sponsor for the upcoming edition of the Indian Premier League, IPL. Headline 05. On the traces of the Council for the Indian Faculty Certificates Examinations, CISCE, which was the primary to announce a revised and diminished curriculum for Class 9 to 12, the Central Board of Secondary Schooling, CBSE, and several other state college boards, the Bihar College Examination Board, BSEB, has additionally dispatched a proposal to the state authorities for decreasing the syllabus in view of the disruption attributable to COVID-19 pandemic to training. Headline 06. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik on Tuesday directed officials to adopt a location-specific strategy to curb the spread of the coronavirus outbreak in Khurda, Cuttack, Sundargarh, and Rayagada, as these districts are emerging as COVID-19 hotspots in the state. About 32% of 20,388 active cases in the state are in these 4 districts, an official said. Headline 07. The Odisha government has decided to set up one more plasma therapy unit for COVID-19 patients, taking in the view at Koraput recently week. This was revealed in a review meeting held by Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik in capital Bhubaneswar. Headline 08. Sambalpur. Water level of the Hirakud Dam stood at 615.41 feet as against the full reservoir level of 630 feet on Monday. The dam was releasing 1,93,353 cubic water through 12 sluice gates today, while the inflow of water into the dam reservoir was 2,4079 cubic. The gates have been opened following heavy rainfall in upper catchment and rise in water level in the reservoir, said a senior official. Headline 09. Bhubaneswar, the Odisha government on Tuesday urged the centre to supply at least 1.03 lakh metric ton of urea immediately as the farmers in the state are facing an acute shortage of the fertilizer during the current Kharif season, a minister said. The state has received only 56,228 ton of urea in June as against its quota of 70,000 ton for the month, Agriculture and Farmers Empowerment Minister Arun Kumar Sahu said. Headline 10. A day after the Indian Air Force wrote a letter against Netflix movie Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil girl for the undue negative portrayal of its work culture in the movie, the real-life Gunjan Saxena has come forward and opened up about her experiences serving in the Indian Air Force as compared to what has been depicted in the film. Gunjan said that her superiors, colleagues and commanding officers all supported her in the Air Force.
Short shot.